Class 6. Your subject Social Studies, and the lesson The Earth and the Globe. A revision. You had learnt this lesson priorly. Now it's a revision lesson for you. You already have learned about some important aspects from this lesson. Now, here we can repeat some of them to know more precisely. Where is our Earth? You can recollect. Our Earth is in a galaxy called the Milky Way, and it belongs to the solar system. What is galaxy? A large group of stars and planets is called galaxy. This is the solar system. The sun is in the middle position and the planets are revolving around the sun, and the closest planet to the sun is the Mercury. And here the distance from the sun and orbit time of the planets is presented below. You follow them. You could know the name of two astronomers in the lesson. Aryabhatta is one of the ancient age and Copernicus is of modern age. But both of them are of the same opinion we know about the shape of the earth. Now, Aryabhatta, the accepted name, actual name. However, Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer of India, lived during 5th century. It is known that he was born at Kushumpura in Pataliputra, now Patna, Bihar. His writing Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhanta is famous. Aryabhatta put forth the point by calculation that the earth is spherical and rotates on its own axis. The concept of zero and decimal system was first placed by him. Actually, Aryabhatta regularly observed the position of the heavenly bodies. He observed the eclipse of sun and moon, and as a great mathematician he calculated and ultimately confirmed about the shape of the earth and rotation of the earth on its own axis. And you can know about some contemporary mathematician, Pythagoras, but of Europe. His time duration is mentioned here. He was also a philosopher of Europe. And you can also know about mathematician of our country, Baraha Mihira, and Brahmagupta. and you follow. BC means before Christian era, you know, and CE Christian era. CE is also used as AD, Anno Domini, a Latin word that is after death of Christ. Now, Nicolaus Copernicus, his date of birth is 19th February and death was in 1543 CE, 24th May. Not only a great astronomer and mathematician, but also an economist, administrator, and physician also. His life was of variety and ups and downs. He first put forward the most important theory that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. Before that, all believed that the Sun moved around the Earth, that is geocentric concept. It was the concept. But all believed that the Earth was lying at the center and all other heavenly bodies revolved around the Sun. Priorly, all believed that. But Copernicus put forward the real phenomena, that is solar centric concept. You can search for other information of the life and contribution of Copernicus from different sources, because the life history of Copernicus is very interesting. You should also know other contemporary astronomers of Europe like Tycho Brahe, Johannes Kepler, and others also. In connection with the globe, you have learned the following and try to keep them in memory by reading the book repeatedly and by searching for other information of your interest from many other sources. Globe is our interest, and we hope that we would know a lot about this earth and also about the space. Every day we look at the sky and imagine many things, and we should search for the reality, and you should learn a lot about this earth and the solar system and other heavenly bodies. Here is task for you. Tasks to be done in your practical exercise book. Those who have already done the first one should not repeat it in your exercise book, but those who have not yet done must do the work. 1. To write in one sentence what is a galaxy, Milky Way, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, GMT, in one sentence. Next, number 2, to draw a globe and to draw the line of one equator, next prime meridian, next Arctic circle, then Antarctic circle, then Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn perfectly. You should draw the globe by using the greater portion of the page, and that will be more distinct to see. Next, number 3, to write a short notes on 1. Aryabhatta, 2. Nicolaus Copernicus. You also should post or draw their picture in the white portion of the exercise book. Thank you.